How to buy ChatGPT token. So this token came under the symbol of chatty. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional nor economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral codes in the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 months ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 13 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. So this is also going to click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now, to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back. As you can see, you can click here on swap to be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Chatty token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.